Faced with recurring pothole repair problems? Looking for an effective and economical material to prevent pavement deterioration and to restore and repair utility cuts? Perma-Patch is a simple and economical solution to both of these problems, as it is an easily applied, high-performance asphalt repair and patching material. Perma-Patch prolongs the life of commercial parking lots and other paved facilities and can be applied by maintenance personnel. Perma-Patch received the #1 rating for durability of all the innovative repair materials tested by the National Research Council in its Strategic Highway Research Project, or SHARP. In this test, conducted of material in ordinary use in over 22 representative sites throughout the US and Canada, Perma-Patch outperformed all the other products tested by a significant margin of over periods of 18 months and 4.65 years. Clearly, given the high cost of labor, the use of #1 rated Perma-Patch for these repairs was more economical than any other means and produced a much more satisfactory repair for the driving public. Perma-Patch is used for the permanent, quick, and safe repair of potholes, utility cuts, and TV or fiber optic cable slots in all types of weather. Standard cold patch is like candy popcorn. It sets up by evaporation of the hydrocarbon solvents and when driven over, ravels out of the hole. Perma-Patch hardens from dynamic pressure rather than evaporation, which means that immediately exposing Perma-Patch to heavy traffic actually speeds up the setting process. Since Perma-Patch contains pressure-sensitive plastics, the greater the amount of traffic, the faster it sets up. Perma-Patch is superior in many ways to hot asphalt. It can be applied rain or shine in any temperature, hot or freezing. Perma-Patch can be used in standing water with no adverse effects. It adheres so strongly that even shallow depressions can be leveled by placing a very thin layer on the street surface. No type of adhesive or tack coat is required as a bonding agent. Perma-Patch's composition makes it adhere strongly to asphalt, stone, concrete, wood, and steel, but will not adhere to rubber tires. Perma-Patch will flex rather than crack on bridges, streets, and other areas that experience vibration or some movement. The exposed core of this 3-year-old Perma-Patch, caused by the degradation of the surrounding concrete, has remained flexible and strong enough to hold a knife. Underlying the hardened surface layer, Perma-Patch remains semi-pliable and acts like a large expansion joint, constantly sealing the interface between the Perma-Patch filled repair and the surrounding paving. Perma-Patch will also outlast hot asphalt for repair of potholes and utility cuts. Hot asphalt patches will invariably separate from the surrounding old paving, thereby allowing water to seep into and under the paved area, causing base failure. This problem with a hot asphalt repair occurs because of the difference in the thermal coefficient of expansion between the old asphalt and the new hot asphalt. Perma-Patch's self-sealing qualities will not permit water to penetrate the patch or utility cut repair. A costly problem today is the number of claims and lawsuits for damages and injuries resulting from collisions with potholes. Liability can be avoided by the quick installation of Perma-Patch, which provides a cost-effective and permanent repair. Because Perma-Patch is a permanent repair, it minimizes the adverse environmental impact from the disposal of temporary cold patches. Manufacturing Perma-Patch requires much less heat than mixing and placing hot asphalt, thus releasing minimal volatile compounds into the atmosphere. Perma-Patch contains a unique blend of special chemical additives, pressure-sensitive plastics, asphalt, and 1/4-inch aggregates, and has the appearance of hot asphalt. Perma-Patch is packaged in specially constructed multi-ply plastic-lined water-resistant bags. Perma-Patch's extended shelf life will allow the product to continue to flow freely from our bag for over 2 years from date of packaging, even in very cold conditions. Bags of Perma-Patch are ready for immediate use and eliminate the need for heavy equipment, travel time, and delays at the hot asphalt plant. Perma-Patch is ready for immediate use without any mixing and can be applied with simple hand tools. It does not require tack coat or site preparation other than the removal of large aggregate from the area being repaired. Perma-Patch can be applied using a shovel and rake. Compaction can come from either the weight of traffic or a simple hand tamper. For larger patches where traffic is minimal, or when filling large depressions, a portable plate compactor can be used. Prolong the life of your paving with Perma-Patch, the most durable patch available.